Microtechnologies have done it again. This time it has introduced a state-of-the-art metal detector that will detect not just metal but also explosives, alcohol and panic. For the same, it held an inaugural ceremony of the Global Central Control Station where the monitoring of events would be held. The Micro GCCS was inaugurated in the presence of Hemant Karkare and Microtechnologies CMD Dr. P. Shekhar and Director of the company AR Kale. The guest Hemant Karkare was quite impressed with Micro Global Central Control System.
Terrorism today is the biggest challenge being faced by the governments, the people, the enforcement agencies, the political executive and the legislature. One doesn't know how to combat this problem. Where does it originate basically? One may think that explosives are responsible. Someone may think certain people who are deprived of their rightful share in the society, they are responsible. And yet another section may think this is coming from across the borders or from some places with which we have no connection. The global connect of terrorism is known and experienced by one and all. But what I have seen in this period of 25 years with police, that basically it has to be fought at the level of idea. We have to both on idea level and the action level, we have to take efforts to neutralize the terrorism. Microtechnologies is one of the famous names. It has already established pioneering technologies which have been used the world over. And I am grateful that the chairman thought it fit. It was his own initiative. He gave some ideas to combat terrorism. Last week when we had met, his first sentence was, in the view of Jaipur blast, the thought came to his mind, what could be done by scientific community to prevent and combat terrorism. I am grateful to him, and I am also very happy that with contribution of you all, led by Chairman, our war against terrorism will progress, will achieve certain positive milestones.
The functions of the metal detector are such that it would record the number of visitors passing through the metal detector and activities would be monitored at the control panel. In case of any uneventful situation like a person in possession of an explosive or drunk would be immediately detected and the information would be mapped on the registered user, be it a control panel or a police station. The information transmission does not take more than 2 minutes. We spoke with the CMD of Microtechnologies, Dr. P. Shekhar, to know more about the Micro Global Central Control Station.
See, today with terrorism being on the rise, there is a concept of having a metal detector in any place where the number of people moving are large and also the sensitivity of the locations. Now, metal detector alone does not give you the result which are required for the security of the places. So, in any places where there is a lot of movement of public, lot of movement of people and anything where VIP is involved, there is always a place which is susceptible to terrorism in today's in today's conditions. Now, what we are planning to do is get an integrated system for the police by which in the venue, if anybody carries metal of uncalled for nature, or he carries any of the terrorist materials like RDX, like ammonium nitrate, or so many other sensitive things which can cause any type of explosion, this detector can detect it. And the main USP of this material, of this system is, it will immediately tell the police at the headquarters that so-and-so location has got so much material which are going in. It could even be too many people consuming alcohol having come to the location, which are all locations which are susceptible to any negative things happening.
He also gave his insight on the crime scenario and the need to control it.
That today police is constrained by the numbers. In any city, on any particular day, more than 200 to 500 major events take place. Now, police cannot keep themselves spreading things in all the locations. Now, this system can even be manned by private security agencies, because whenever anything negative is seen or observed, police can immediately proactively react and go back to the go to the location and make the location more safe and secure.
Needless to say that if these technologies are placed in malls, railway stations and other public places, they will play a crucial role in arresting disasters like the Mumbai train blast and the Jaipur blast cases. With camera person Abhay Prasad, Sana Varsia for NMTV News.